This is the DeWalt DCF620 XR collated screw gun. It's all compatible on the 18 volt platform, so anything from 2 amp hour to 5 amp hour. And as in the normal circumstances with these collated screws, they're all screws in a plastic strip. We literally slide up the guide plate into the mechanism and through, and we just leave it one hole short of where we want to fire into. We have the indentations and markings for the relevant size screws. We just literally push the release lock and slide the end in or out until the little silver indent slots in to the relative size screw. After that, all we need to make sure is we have it in forward or reverse, so we're driving the screws in, we need to go forward, and away we go. What happens if we then drive in a screw that doesn't quite drive all the way home, or misaligns, comes out and has a slight misfire? Very, very simple with the DeWalt. All we literally do is remove the end. We can choose forward or reverse, and quite literally, we can take the screws back out again. Or similarly, if they were stuck out, we can drive them in. How about this for a scenario? We're working on a job, we're miles from anywhere, we go to a local store and we can't get any collated screws. All we can buy is loose. Well, that doesn't mean that this piece of kit from DeWalt is useless. All we simply have to do is take another couple of fittings out of the box. We'll literally take the long screwdriver bit out, and in the box, included in the kit, is a magnetic bit, which is a lot shorter. And this works in conjunction with the single feed end, so use single screws. You can put it on, and as you can see, it's got a lock. For lock and for open, that's taking it off and on. And also we have a depth of screw, how far you drive it in. Another use for this end nozzle is when guys are putting up stud walling, metal stud like we have here, screws generally come as individuals, they're not collated. So yet again, this screwdriver can be used for all applications from start to finish of drywalling. That when we want to change to collated screws, we can undo the end, pull it off, push this in to pull our small screwdriver bit out, put the long bit in, put the end on. It comes in a T-stack kit box. We can take all our components, we can put them in the box. It takes a spare battery, it takes the charger. There's even a position to take the spare screwdriver in. There's no need to dismantle it. All we literally do, take the screws out, put it in, and we can lock and go.